Welcome to Janda, Japan, your trusted auto partner. Today, we're bringing you a high-performance legend straight from Japan. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, a car built not just for the road but for thrill seekers and performance lovers. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine stand out. This Evolution X comes in a stunning green exterior that not only turns heads but reflects its bold personality. The sporty curves, aggressive front grille, and aerodynamic body are engineered for both speed and style. With 5 doors, it's practical enough for daily use, but still retains its race-inspired DNA. Under the hood, it's powered by a 660cc gasoline engine. While that may sound compact, don't be fooled. This engine delivers efficiency and sharp throttle response. Ideal for Japanese roads and urban agility. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience is smooth yet responsive. The two-wheel drive to WD system offers stability for city and highway cruising, making it an excellent choice for those who want performance with control inside. The cabin, you'll find the signature Lancer layout, clean, functional, and driver-focused. Everything is designed to keep your focus on the road. Right-hand steering aligns with Japanese domestic specs, and comfort features include bucket seats, sporty trims, and a driver-centric dashboard, all wrapped in a performance-first atmosphere. This vehicle was manufactured in June 2012 and has been driven only 43,500 kilometers. That's incredibly low for its age. Even better, it comes with no repair history, meaning the car has been kept in clean, original condition. It's a rare find, especially for performance car collectors and JDM enthusiasts. This Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X is available now, exclusively at Janda, Japan. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for your dream car or a dealer sourcing top-quality Japanese vehicles, we're here to help. We export worldwide safely, reliably, and professionally, ready to own this piece of performance engineering. Contact Janda, Japan today. Let's get this Lancer Evolution X on the road to your garage. For more vehicles, updates, and offers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, at Janda, Japan, we don't just sell cars, we deliver performance. Contact +81 9060 806153.